Lihle finally meets her anonymous boyfriend Lux, who happens to be Uncle Libone. So Uncle Libone has been texting Lihle saying, let's meet. Where can we meet? Lihle, let's meet at Pushalova. So how will I know it's you? I wear a green t-shirt. Lihle gets to Pushalova. See some guys wearing green t-shirt, thinking they're gonna come to her and say, the guy waiting for her is an older guy. Keeps on texting him, are you here now? Are you here yet? Nothing. Looks around, decides, let me go. This person stood me up again, like the matric dance. Uncle Libone shoe going, Lihle, hello, how? Lihle and I was like, okay, hi, Uncle Libone. You don't have to call me Uncle Libone. Lihle is like shocked now. And then, what's going on here? And then he says, I'm the one you are meeting, unzips her blue jacket to show her the green shirt. Lihle is shocked. What's going on here? So this man that I've been chatting with, sending pictures to, is actually Uncle Libone, such an old man. Buying me dresses. What's going on here? The confusion in Lihle's eyes. She was so confused. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.